Back on the pickup today. I can't believe it's already Thursday. Week flies by. Yeah, we got a delivery from Vauxhall Parts UK, Vauxhall Specialist Breakers. It's not a secret. It's the engine for this. Yeah, don't expect anything all shiny. I think it's just a second-hand engine out of a Vectra 1.8 ZXE X18 XE. You should try saying that quickly. Yeah, with gearbox and bits and bobs. So I don't know what's arriving. Hopefully, I know what's arriving, but you know, you never know until the stuff turns up. So, yeah, it's gonna be exciting. So basically, we've got a day off because we don't know when it's going to arrive. It's easier to get it delivered to the unit because that's where this car is. Wife's not really too impressed nowadays with engines turning up on the doorstep. So anyway, we're down here for the day, so we'll wait till it arrives. Got my lunch, got some Pepsi Max, got a tidy bit of a space up, and crack on with a bit more of the pickup, see what we can get done today. So yeah, back on prepping soon, honest, but we've got to be down here waiting for this, so cool. I think I'm coming out in a rash, cleaning up. Where's all this crud come from? Just comes from, I just collect it. I'm like a magnet. Not a magnet because most of it's rust, but just like, yeah, it appears from nowhere. And now we just wait for the delivery. Waiting, bored. Still not here. Still not here. Should we go get the turbo box and open the turbo? Have a look at the turbo. Should we do that? Should we? Yeah? Yeah, let's do that. Boom! Chinese TD04. Yeah, people will be going, oh, you should have gone with a TD04 for standard super, or you should have gone for a T25, should have gone for this and that, and this and that, and this and that, and this and that. But anyway, it's what we got. You know, cars, how many miles a car going to be? About 3 by the time I finished it, you know me. Might not even see the road. I think everyone knows my projects by now. I just build them. I enjoy building stuff. And you just can't, regardless of how good quality or bad quality it is, you can't beat the look of a bright, brand new, shiny turbo. So the dream is to mount this above the gearbox, but until we have the engine in the car, until we know everything, I know other people have sort of done it in different situations, different setups slightly, but yeah, so we haven't done anything too stupid. Oh, look at that, already a burst boost pipe, lovely. Fix that. What do you expect from Rum. Lovely. Yeah, so it's got like a little V-strap clamp there, so you can actually, what they call indexing it, you can actually rotate the compressor to the turbo, so you can sort of change the layout of these. You can do them on normal turbo, some of them anyway. A bit of a pain in the arse when they've been on the car for a while and musty. But anyway, so that'll allow us to fiddle about quite well. So yeah, lovely. Yeah, what can you say? It's a turbo, isn't it? Eeky bitty tiny compressor, but it'll be fine, I think, for boost that we want to make. We're not going to do much about it with the internals at the moment. We're just going to smack a turbo on there and one low boost and then see how we go. That's the plan in my head. Then if it all works out and we prove all the injection system, prove all the exhaust system, we can then strip the engine to bits and turn up the boost. Anyway, stop putting things off, Matthew. Let's get on and do some work. Screwfix had a run on roll grips at the counter. Why not? Wonder why? Quality. I just opened the packet up. Oh, spring is broken. Let's try the next one. All the weird wind tones are going off. I just cleaned up this weld a bit and redid it a little bit where it cracked. This previous person. It's just where the Shelves been sitting for ages. Oh, so much rust to do. Stop looking at the other rust. So yeah, we're going to make the repair panel for this side as well while we're at it. So we need to sort of slice through at a certain point. Looks like we're going to have to come up a little bit higher than the other side to make the panel a little bit longer. So hopefully we've got enough in the passenger door. We're going to do the same again, cut a hole in the passenger door, reuse the metal. And yeah, so what we'll do, we'll cut that off so we can see what we're doing, and then we just need to make sure that the floor and the panel is all sitting right before we can then start making the panel. So yeah, let's mask this up, get a bit of a straight line on it, horizontal as we can, and yeah, cut. There we go. Lovely jubbly. So yeah, we'll make this panel. This looks like these are machine panels. Looking at the old panel, it only comes to there, so we may need to trim some of that back off there. But again, that can all be done before we fully weld the panel. Still no engine. Still no engine. Oh, you never know, it might not even turn up in this video. So yeah. Oh well. Alright, well, let's crack on. Let's crack on. Here's the door, it's even worse state than the driver's door. Just measured up, we're going to need at least about 28 inches. So we're needing quite a lot out the door. We can use this corner, that'll be where the arch is. And then come across. So yeah, all the bottom's gone, even the bottom of the door frame's gone. So let's cut a piece out and yeah, let's just double check our height as well. Well, there we go, another piece of repair panel. I took it right to the edge seam. It's a bit, a bit close. I need it as long as possible. So yeah, I just ground the edge of the end fold over just to try and get me every last millimetre. But yeah, doors are shot. But yeah, we've got another set of doors as well. So we make something. We've got 4 doors, so I'm sure we must be able to make 2 good ones out of them all. But anyway, that's for another day. There we go. Yeah, much bigger panel than last time, but yeah, that's good enough for that. Blend it in, a little bit of filler. Oh, I should never see it. Yeah. So again, same as before. We fold the bottom edge over to make a lip. Get that clamped on there first. We can then decide how much we're going to cut away and mark through from the other side. This panel, and then joggle it, drill some holes, and we should be there. So what I just want to do though is just muck about this area a little bit more, just make sure I'm happy with the height position, because it's not so bad making the gap bigger if you need to. The joggle will do that, but if you try and bring it, if we haven't got the gap, we made the joggle panel too big. Just a bit more work to be done. So let's see if we can get it half right now. Revised bench on the back of the pickup. Sorry about the truck noise. Make sure we fold it the correct way. This is the inside of the panel, so we want to fold it downwards. So yeah, I didn't have 2 bars long enough. So yeah, clamped it between it. Bam, 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 bam. We got ourselves a folded edge, hopefully. Okay, doing this and clamping it. I'm hoping it's tried not to distort the panel too much, because we want to try and keep it in a fairly straight line, otherwise, it's all sorts. But anyway, Pretty sure this is what the Project Brilliantly boys do offset. You just don't see it. Instead of using all their fancy stuff as a joke. Very appreciative of what they do. They're very skillful. Alrighty, let's have a quick squeeze. We can make this work, we can make that work. Looking good, looking good. Gonna finish up there. That should be enough for a video. Thanks for watching. What did I have for tea? Don't even know yet. What did we have last night? Chicken Kievs with these like McCain's. They're called nacho chips. They're like folded potatoes, but I don't think they're folded. Daughter and the wife think they're folded, but I think they're cut in a V section. If you guys have any of those, let me know what you think. Whether you think they're folded potatoes or potato slices, or cut in a V section in a potato. I reckon they've got a cutter that cuts lots of V sections out of one potato. Anyway, till next time, no engine I'm afraid. Oh well, you're gonna have to wait.